Hey guys, what's up? This is Jack and welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming. Previously, we saw what is Java and its history and some of its features. Now in this very next video, we are going to learn how to install Java in your operating system. And also, we are going to set up an IDE, which is an integrated development environment, which we will use to run and write our programs, which in this case we will be using Eclipse IDE. Now for installing Java, you need to open up your browser and type in Oracle Java download. From here, you need to navigate through this one, oracle.com tech network Java. This very first one, and then in this page you will see here Oracle JDK, and you need to click on download. Once you click on it, a new page will open. It will ask you for your system requirements, and then you just need to specify your system, which is if you are a Linux user, you need to click on these three. The third one is the compressed file, and the other two are the executable one. And for Mac OS, you have .dmg here, and then again the compressed one. And for Windows, we have .exe and then the compressed file. Now we are going to directly install our installer. So just click on this, and your download should start automatically. Now you need to go to the download folder, and once you do that, it should install automatically. Also, if you need, now once that is installed, you need to set a path variable for that. For setting a path variable, what you need to do is just right click on your PC and then click on properties, and then just navigate through advanced system settings, which is, and then from here go to that environment variables. Now here you see a dialog box with these variables. Now if you don't have path variable already here, then you need to click on new, and then with all caps just type path here in the variable name. And for directory, you need to go to browse directory, and then your C drive, which is this, and then your Java installation folder. Now here mine is program files and then Java. Just click on it, and then JDK, and then bin, and then OK. That's it. This is the address. Then you need to click on OK, and it should automatically add that. Or else, if you already have one created, now just double click on it, and then click here new, and then simply go to Explorer, then use your C drive and go to your Java installation folder, which is here, and then JDK and bin, and then just copy this address as text and simply click on new and paste it here, and that's it. Now we are going to see how to install Eclipse IDE. For that, open up your browser and type in Eclipse IDE download. Now you will get the official website, which is eclipse.org. Just click on that. From here, you need to click on this one. This website should automatically detect your system, and then just click on download, and in the next page it should just, you need to click on this download one, and then just click on this, and it should be a compressed file. It should download. Now once you download it, what you need to do is just go to your download folder, and this is the file which is downloaded from there. Now just extract it. Now I have already extracted that. You will get this one. just click on that. So you can see here this is the portable version. Now what you need to do is just right click on this and then just create a shortcut in the desktop so you can access it whenever you need. So when I close it, here it is. What I have here is, so no manual installation for Eclipse. What you need to do is just this thing. Thank you for this video. We'll see you in the next one.